All right, so we're out here evaluating 12 hives for a customer. She bought them off a guy, paid over $600 for these. And he was supposed to come and maintain them, but doesn't ever come out, just kind of left them to do their own thing. So we're going to go through, evaluate them for her, and let her know what they're worth. It's Texas. Dry cow manure. Smolders a long time. Pro tip for you guys. Doesn't smell great though. All right, we're gonna start with the easy ones, Dad. I don't know if there's ever bees in there. Looks like a scam hive to me.
Yeah. Somebody done robbed out of it or something.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So how you want to mark?
What are you gonna mark on it?
I guess
D?
just a D. All right. Looks like another D. Well, at least that one did have bees.
Yeah.
Not a scam, but yeah, another D. People, take care of your bees. Looks like another dead one, but it's.
But yeah, there was something in there.
There was something looked like a wheat colony at some point, maybe.
Decent comb left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's your medium, Jody.
Yes, exactly.
Let's put a D on that one.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Nice.
More dead hives. That's some old frames in there. But they never even drew. These aren't even drawn out.
That's ancient stuff.
That's one of the
Yeah.
ones we got rid of this summer, huh?
Ish.
Yep.
Ugly stuff, yeah.
Better puff that smoker a little
Is
bit,
this one?
Jody.
Oh no, you're gonna don't let it die. Any bees coming out of this one?
This one had bees coming out.
This
But
one?
I didn't see this one having bees.
Give it a
coming out.
puff of smoke just in case. There you go. Nope, more moths. Yeah. Hey, we finally have some bees.
Ooh,
We got some good traffic on this one.
yeah.
That's a nice thing. Didn't see any pollen.
Stuff. Not bringing anything in. Oh yeah.
Hey. Four frames up top. These are half frames. Let's see what the.
You wanna look?
Yeah, let's just see if there's a population down below.
Same stuff.
There you go. Here for you.
I'm loose.
Yeah, let's take a look at this drone comb. Uh-oh, look at that. Y'all see that mite right there?
There.
So now we got some drone combs. 1, 2, 3. I mean, that's a decent. Yeah, let's take a look.
I'm gonna take it out.
See what kind of brood they got. Loosen
Use
it.
some space.
Yeah. Yeah, honey.
I want fuel, huh?
Yeah. I guess they've been bringing in. Got some nectar, some calves.
Yeah.
Great on that next round. Yeah.
Terrible.
Not horrible, but at least they're doing their thing.
Very nice.
Despite.
You look any further than this?
Now,
Top.
what do we got? Like 3. I mean, you'd want to see more population this year, but they're brooding well. What'd y'all say? B? C? C, maybe?
Yeah.
Right here, this one. Oh, that's so pretty.
Up here.
Nice and beautiful. She up there? Oh yeah. She's got a good pattern. They're gonna come alive here real soon.
Lots of drones.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, next one's just as full.
Yeah. Maybe
So maybe
let's
it's the
give
bee.
that one a B. Let's go ahead and close them up. I guess a D's like an F.
Alright, B or big one?
Yeah, let's just do B.
B.
Yeah, I think so. I'd say an A if they have more population, but they got plenty of brood. Anybody home? Hey, there's a B.
I gave him.
You already gave him a
I already
little.
smoked
Smoked
a little.
a little. Yeah, don't look promising. Oh, they died. Look at that.
Rough down, huh?
They got froze. Sorry, little. Another D. People don't get scammed. Buy your bees from reputable beekeepers. It looks like this guy was probably selling some removable bees. Property owners that thought they had come down here, thought they had pollinators doing their thing on their property, but they don't. And they're coming down. Oh, looks like pipes. Hey, girl, maybe. Or the robin.
Stuff flames.
No. Another dead one there, dead right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Little
dude.
tiny cluster that died.
Maybe.
There is nothing more safe. Yeah. Well, this is an easy chore. We're only 7.5 minutes in. All right. Bees on the surface. Go ahead, tilt it.
Frame stuck.
Gets clean and grew again. Yep. We'll pull one of these clusters out so people can see what we're talking about. But yeah, these guys just look like they starved. See that little tiny cluster? That's why little weak hives just can't get through the winter. That's for the last of them. Sad. These could have been merged and put to work with someone else.
This one's the empty box. I think.
Yeah. This one is completely empty. I don't know why it's here.
This one.
Look. There's some bees. Maybe. Let's crack that box. There might be some bees down at the bottom. There's honey up there.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of honey on this one.
Oh no.
Yep. Died too,
They
didn't
died too. They just hadn't been robbed out yet. there's a lot of honey on hives because right now we actually got a little bit of a flow going. Otherwise, this stuff would be robbed out by now for sure. All right. There's a bee on the porch. It almost got a funny smell. What that is? I've never smelled that. It's really sour. Ooh, tiny cluster. Just honey. I'll let y'all do that. It hadn't died yet.
Robbers, maybe. Nope, there's queen right there. That queen.
There she is. Little tiny cluster.
Yeah, she ain't got
Oh,
much
man.
going on. Yeah.
Should we grab a cap from that one strong hive and give them a frame of cap brood? Maybe they can.
Yeah, there's plenty over there. You dig in the bottom or on? Yeah, because there's a cluster on the bottom.
Yeah. Maybe we can take them this honey frame.
From the bee one?
Yeah. And we have to pull that top box so we can get a.
Oh, it is heavy.
Because this hive is definitely out of balance, but maybe we can give them some cat brood. Maybe they can get it turned around.
Queen on that one. Anywhere. No queen.
Some pollen coming in.
Yeah. Be a good one to give it. You want to go to the next
I think
one?
that's a good one. Let's just
Okay.
double check. These dark ones. I'm having trouble spotting that queen against. I don't see her. I feel confident.
Take these.
Yeah, just shake them.
One here. Leave them here or take them with us?
Yeah, take them. Yeah. All right, nurse bees. All right, so let's put this one back together. And put this honey. From the other hive, it had plenty of honey. All right. Well, this is terrible. We got some bad news to give the landowner. Yeah. What? Only 2 with queens laying? 2 out of 12.
You talking about heavy now.
That's heavy.
Any room up here, buddy? Nobody else did. Searched last time.
Everyone else was dead.
Yeah.
We only had 2.
Feels like
Yep, we did.
Jody, we didn't teach you that, did we?
sorry.
Oh my gosh. I'm just messing. I got surd.
I could not be pleased with me.
And you shouldn't. All right, well.
Okay, we're writing this one up.
Huh?
What was C?
See? Hey, thanks for joining us. Hopefully we'll have some bees back soon and be able to do some more videos with our own bees and everything. We're out there, hopefully not drowning in the orchards in California. But this is a pretty tragic thing. We've seen this a lot in our area. In Texas, people are allowed to get a property tax exemption if they have a certain amount of bees on their property. So there's some unscrupulous beekeepers that will charge people 2 or 3 times the going rate for beehives, bring them out on their property, and then just pretty much tell them to feed them sugar water and abandon the hives. Then after a couple of years, the clients, they got to go buy more bees so they can comply with the state, and on and on and on. So a lot of times we'll have people, they'll have us come in and help them out because, you know, they want the bees on their property, they want the pollinators, you know, they want more bees in the area, and but they just don't want to be beekeepers. So, you know, in that state law, it's there to get more bees in the area, get more people beekeeping, just, you know, more for ag crops and everything. So, you know, it's unfortunate because there's some bad actors out here that will, you know, sell unsuspecting people hives for 2 or 3 times the price. I mean, I don't even know if any of these came. Some of them probably didn't even come with bees. I know 2 of them didn't have all the frames that they needed. So it's a sad thing. And then, you know, we can't offer them really anything for these hives. Maybe just that one, but nothing near retail, you know, because we're commercial and we can get everything. We raise our own bees, you know, do everything. We've got our own equipment and buy it all in bulk. So, yeah, there's really not that much for this. It's pretty much just total loss. So, sad day, you know. Be responsible in your beekeeping, people, please, because, you know, we need to have a good name, you know. There's enough bad actors out there in the world. That's not give beekeepers a bad name, too. Hope y'all liked it. Please subscribe, and if this was easy, everybody be doing it. Love y'all. Bye.